Doctor reveals, just add cinnamon to mango peel. Warning, this mango peel recipe is scaring the pharmaceutical industry and could transform your health in just a few days. You're about to discover one of the most overlooked natural secrets by the media. And the most amazing part is that you probably already have all the ingredients right there in your kitchen. Stop everything and answer me. Do you suffer from high blood sugar that's hard to control? Is your blood pressure always unbalanced? Have you heard that losing weight is nearly impossible no matter how hard you try? Well, researchers at the University of California have confirmed something extraordinary. The combination of mango peel with clove and cinnamon produces surprising effects. It can reduce blood sugar by up to 48%, according to a study published in the Phytotherapy Research Journal. It also helps balance cholesterol and blood pressure naturally, while impressively speeding up abdominal fat burning. To prepare, choose 2 very ripe mangoes. The firmer and more fibrous, the better. Carefully remove the peels with a knife. If the peel is slightly dry, that's a sign it's loaded with mangiferin, one of the most powerful compounds ever studied. Multiple scientific studies have proven that mango peel is rich in mangiferin and kaempferol, substances with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. In the body, mangiferin regulates glucose, strengthens immunity, and protects the liver from metabolic overload. Next, add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, since regular cinnamon contains harmful toxins. Also, add 3 fresh bay leaves, which reduce silent inflammation and improve circulation, helping with blood pressure. Then add a handful of whole cloves, never ground, since they're rich in eugenol, a compound with great antioxidant and glucose-controlling power. Mix everything in a pan with 500 milliliters of water and let it boil for exactly 8 minutes, which is the ideal time to release the active compounds. Then turn off the heat, cover, and let it rest for 5 minutes, since the steam preserves the essential oils. Strain and drink it warm, always before 10 in the morning when the liver works up to 3 times harder in metabolism. If you take medication for diabetes or high blood pressure, consult your doctor, as this recipe is so powerful it may even require dosage adjustments. Share this with someone you love. It might be exactly the solution they've been waiting for. Come back here in 3 days and tell me the results. Your experience could inspire thousands of people. Tomorrow, I'll reveal the secret of eggshell with lemon. Get ready. And if you still think this is just another home remedy, think again. How many expensive medicines have you taken that solved nothing? This mixture costs pennies and is already changing lives. Now tell me honestly, did you already know about the power of mango peel to control blood sugar and protect the liver? Or did this information surprise you? Comment below with the words, "I'll try," if you're going to test the recipe. And if you know someone who urgently needs this, tag them now, because this simple gesture could transform their life.